Here we are. It's Tate's 6-month birthday.
And he can eat by himself.
Oh.
Nice catch.
I think he might be left-handed. See how he grabs everything with his left? Oh, that's your right. You're not.
Tate,
What do you see, buddy?
I think you got some stuff on your face.
Hi, sweetheart. There you go.